Hi everyone, my name is Lacey and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making hot glue crafts. We're going to use molds and fill them with hot glue to make little accents or anything really. It's a very versatile craft. I've seen it used to make charms, to make necklaces, to make thumbtacks, to make just little fun toys, or you can stick them on stuff. So I'm super excited to show you this craft. I think it'll be easy and just fun to do. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe to see more videos to come. Alright, let's get started. Alright everyone, so today we are going to make little accents. Basically something that is rounded on one side and flat on the other side. You can use it for a lot of different purposes, which is why I call it an accent, because it accents whatever you're working on. I like to just send them to my pen pals, use them on cards. They could be made into phone charms or bracelet charms or pendants. There are so many different uses for this. So I'm gonna try it out. These are just silicone molds I got on Amazon. They were fairly cheap. It was about 14 Canadian dollars for all of 4 of these. That's about 10 US dollars. So they're fairly cheap to get a good amount of them. I really love this pack because it had different animals. Let's see, we can see a frog, a panda, I think that's a cat, an owl, that's a cat, so that might be a bear. This is a little man, I don't know if it's really a human, but a little emoji man holding a heart. There's a little bear with a heart, a zebra, a bunny, a fox, another cat. It's kind of hard to tell what these are. A monkey, a deer, maybe a koala. I don't know, I'm not like huge expert on what these animals are. We'll see what it looks like when it comes out. We have a lion, bear, a hippo. Then on this one, looks like we have LOVE. I think it might be a cat. That one really does look like a koala. A bear, pig. This says I love you and has little hearts. There's another koala. They really like koalas. I think that's a sheep, pig, cow, a cat, a giraffe, maybe another cow, maybe another cow, an elephant, and a chicken. And then this one is a little too late, but looks like we have little bunnies, Easter eggs, and little ducks. I still want to try out the bunnies and the ducks, and maybe even the Easter eggs. It's okay. I can use them for next year. But anyway, so I think that they're really cute, so I want to try them out. So I think, sometimes people use resin for this. I wanted to try a cheaper way that I feel like almost anybody could do by using hot glue. So I have 2 hot glue guns today. I have my bigger hot glue gun and I just bought this small hot glue gun. This small hot glue gun only cost me, I want to say like $7 Canadian and $5 American dollars. So I was surprised that it even worked, to be honest, because I've spent a lot more on hot glue guns. I thought it was super cute and I really just wanted it because I left my smaller hot glue gun in the US for my little brother, and I had all of these glitter glue sticks that only will fit into the small one. I got this in the US at the Dollar Tree for $1. It only comes in 15. I just put a lot in here because I needed a specific color, so I opened a lot of packages, and so I had a lot open and I just put them all in there. So we have all these different color of glitter. I did want to try out a few different methods. One being just adding glitter to the glue and seeing what happens. Maybe it'll be really ugly, maybe it won't, so we'll try that. I also have this. It is food coloring, so I thought we'd just use like a tiny bit and mix it in and see if it would change the color. And then I also want to try my markers and just paint to try and color those and just see what happens. So we're going to try a lot of different methods, so let's get started. First, I am just going to start filling some of these with clear glue. I'm gonna make sure I get into all those little cracks. And the glue should just smooth out by itself, so let's see what happens. Alright, this one already has a glitter stick in it. It is just a white glitter stick. I wanted to try something basic before I did something crazy, so I don't think you can see the glitter on that. Okay, I promise there's glitter in it. I'm gonna do a little bunny. I think this might take a couple of sticks because it's really deep. I'm already out. I'm gonna just fill it up halfway and see what happens. Then I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue in one of these and then put some glitter. I don't know why, it just kind of feels like mine's stuck or something. Alright everyone, so kind of a lot has happened. My other one, I don't know what happened to it, but the glue won't come out. I'm gonna have to fix that later. I don't know what's going on with it. So I got this one. I don't really like it, to be honest. It's missing its little kickstand, so it doesn't really stay up by itself. Let's try to pop these out. I think that they are done. It's like a little giraffe. It's hard to really see the details. You can kind of see the eyeballs, so I do want to try to paint that later. Here's our little cow. It's so cute. And I'm really excited to see our glitter bunny. So it was only half full. I hope if I use a darker color you'll be able to see the glitter. Now I wanted to go ahead and fill one of these up with regular hot glue. Let's do this little panda. I want to kind of work fast because I don't have a lot of time before it dries. So I just want to open this little glitter pack. I usually just open it like a little corner so that way it doesn't all just pour out. Just gonna pour some glitter in there, and I'm gonna use just a little pin to stir that around. It's really like goopy. I'm just kind of afraid that the glitter won't get all the way to the bottom, so maybe I should have put glitter in first. So we can try it both ways. I thought if I just stirred it, it'd be fine, but we will see, I guess. I definitely see a lot of glitter on the top. We'll see what happens if it gets all the way to the bottom. Okay, it's starting to stiffen up a little bit, so I'm gonna stop stirring it. And I'm actually gonna put glitter in the bottom of one. Let's just fill that up with hot glue. I kind of wanted it to be like more thorough, like my hot glue glitter sticks, but I don't know if I can get that thorough. I don't know, I can see the glitter throughout. I think we're just gonna have to see what happens when it comes out. So next, I wanted to fill one. I have a little bit of, this is just gel food coloring, so I'm gonna just use my little pen and just stick it in there and swish it around and see what happens. It does look like it's changing color, but I think I'm gonna have to do it again because it's not like a deep color. Okay, so I got a good amount of color, and it really seems to be changing color, so I'm excited to see what happens when it comes out. I think the trick is just getting it mixed before it hardens. These are dry now, so I did want to take them out. Let's start with just the clear. We have a little duck. It's cute. Really hard to tell. Oh no! So this one was definitely a fail. It was the one I put in the glitter first, and then the glue. The glitter's just kind of sitting on top, and the glitter's actually just all inside that. So that was definitely a fail. I'm just throwing that one straight into the trash can so I don't get glitter everywhere. Okay, that was bad. This one though, I put the glitter in after the glue. It does seem to be really solid in there, but unfortunately this side, which is the back side, looks really good, but then the front, not as good. You could definitely see that the glitter looks like it's just kind of trapped in there. I don't know. So then this one is the one we used food coloring. So here's the back and there's the front. So I'm probably just gonna throw those away. This is our red. It's like a cup that says I love you, and then it has little hearts coming out of the cup. I thought I failed really badly, but it's actually not too ugly. And then we have a little frog, and I really love that little frog. I might try that in green. I decided to make every single character. Some of them are not here because I've already started painting a few just to see how it would work out. So far I've only used my markers. These are just paint pens. It's worked out really well so far. I decided I wanted to show a few of them on the video. I obviously can't show all of them. There are too many. I don't even know if I will finish these before I put out the video because there's a lot, and if you want to make them look good, sometimes it takes a few layers. So I decided that I wanted to work on this little deer. To get this space in between here, I did have to use my X-Acto knife. On the others, I just kind of used a pair of scissors, cut away any extra glue. Working out pretty well for me, so I hope it works out for you guys as well. So I just wanted to paint him brown. It's just a light brown. Here's a teddy bear. Let's do a teddy bear. A hippo? You guys want to do a hippo? We'll do a hippo gray. I have this metallic silver marker, so I really like it. I think it gives a nice color. So we're back on another episode Lacey Paints Glue, and we are just going to touch up any place that needs to be touched up. I feel like this acrylic definitely looks a little bit more matte than my pen, but you could always put like a varnish or a finish on this, and it would be very slick looking also. For me, I don't really care as long as it looks good. I kind of like both looks, so I feel like it just depends on what you're going for. Alright everyone, so I tried to clean up my space a little bit more. If you're wondering what this is, my friend gave it to me. She sent me a little care package from home, which is so nice. I miss everyone back home and it's so hard to be away from them, but I am loving my time in Quebec. And anyways, so we open it and ta-da! There's all my glue. Just wanted to be able to show you exactly what we're working on still. So we have the little bear, and I'm just going to color his little heart red, but I think I am going to go ahead and do it with the paint marker because it is like a tiny detail and I want to do it well, so. Hi everyone, and thanks for making it to the end of my video. So just wanted to show you guys my final product. So here is the deer that we made. I did change behind the eyes to make it a little bit more brown. I didn't know in the video I made it white, and then I decided to mix a little bit of brown and put that on there. I think it came out okay. I think I tried to make them really simple because it is hard to do all those tiny details, and yeah, I wanted to keep them a more simple design. So anyway, this is the tiny bear that we made, and here's a hippo. The one mistake, well, I don't really know if it's a mistake, but one thing I noticed with a lot of these is that they have a lot of air bubbles. Like if you look really closely, he kind of looks like he has some random dots, but they're really just air bubbles. If you know how to get rid of these air bubbles, then let me know. Otherwise, I mean, I don't think it really takes away from the hippo, to be honest. Like, I think he's still really cute. So I wanted to show you guys some other ones that I had made. I started on a lot of them, and I've got through some of them, and I didn't get through others. The reason I didn't paint them all on screen was because, to be honest, I just had to hold them really close up to my face to see. So I didn't really want to show my video of like me doing that. Yeah, so I painted some of these, not in any really particular order. I really started painting them because I was like, oh, I want to color these 3 yellow, so I kind of did them all together or something like that. But it's really no particular order. I just grabbed some out of the bowl. I still have a ton left, and once I color these, I will probably put them on my Instagram page. So if you want to see them, please follow me at instagram.com/LaceyMayCrafts, and I am excited to show those to you once I finish them. I don't know how long it'll take me to get through them all, but I will show you the ones I did do. I finished this one. This is a little koala. I colored him blue because at work, I work for a company called Q Kids, and there's a little character named Koala, and he is blue. So I thought this would be super cute to show my kids and be like, Kobe. So I made this little, I call him an Emoji Man. I don't know what he is exactly. Yeah, I really love him because he's derpy, and I just made him blue for no reason. I just liked it. And this one I don't really love, but it's an I love you cup, and it's holding some hearts. The hearts were made out of that red glitter glue, and then I just made it a silver cup, and I outlined the I love you in black, but because the glue wasn't like perfect, the heart and the U is kind of like a little bit weird. Maybe I could have fixed it with marker, but it was uneven. I don't know. Anyways, like I said, they're just simple and I think that they're cute even if they're a little bit wonky. I think it really gives it character. And this is a fox. He has a bit of a derpy face as well. This was my white rabbit. I showed it before. He is actually made out of glitter glue, but it's kind of hard to tell. I will share these on my Instagram page at some point, so just follow me on Instagram and you can see pictures of all these. There's Kobe, no. There's a blue glitter glue koala. He's holding an O. There's 4 of these. They spell out love. One of them is this pig, and he's holding an E. This is a frog made with the red glitter, and then I also made a little green frog. This one is a little chicken, an elephant, a giraffe, a duck. I'm not exactly finished. It's a little panda. Cat. He's a bit derpy too. So those are all the ones I have finished. I'm still working on some. But yeah, so I'm excited to finish all these and I'm excited to see all of yours. So if you make any, please share them in the comments below. And I am looking forward to seeing you guys next week with a new craft. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe so that way you can see new videos to come. Alright, thank you everyone. See you soon. Bye.